So I just wanted to make a quick video about this WordPress error. So this is one of my friend's sites, and she's come to me and said every time someone tries to log in, they're presented with this, which is quite unfortunate because anybody that works with WordPress, it's quite important that you can log in. So from what I've seen, this is basically caused by WordPress doing one of its automatic updates, but for whatever reason, the database gets left behind. So the core updates, and then for some reason it starts causing this error. So we're going to have a look into the hosting provider to kind of get rid of this error, because at the minute you can't log in, so you can't edit any of the files through the website. So we have to log into the hosting and we'll take it from there. So this site's currently hosted on Bluehost. So if you're familiar with that, then great. But if not, it's pretty straightforward. And the area that we're going to be in is basically the same with any provider. All we need to be in is the, if we click into advanced here, so we just need to be in the file manager so that we can see and edit all of the files in there. So in this one, we're in public, and it's that one. And then the standard structure of WordPress is most, if not everything, is in the WP-content. Your themes, your plugins, your uploads, things like that. So what we want to do, we'll just double check that this error is still there. Yep. So what we want to do is rename the plugins folder effectively. That renames the folder so that the site can't find it anymore, so that'll deactivate all of the plugins. So when we head back to here, if we give it a refresh, so we see the database update required, which is why the error was happening in the first place. So if we go ahead and click that, continue. So this is actually another unforeseen error. So this is caused by some of the cache not being there, because the cache and the files are in place, but the plugin is no longer there to kind of see it. So if we head back in here, there's a cache folder there. So if we go on that and just delete it, because the cache is an automatic file, so we can always add that back in. That's fine. So if we have a look at here, it's saying W3 total cache, which is the plugin that's being used on the site. Python missing out of place, please reinstall the plugin or remove. So if we head to this directory, content advanced cache.php, okay, so we've got that file there. So if we delete this and then give it a refresh, okay, so I'm not going to lie, that was a bit of a chew. So basically, the caching plugin caused all sorts of problems there. So they're using W3 cache, and it had all the settings turned on. So there was the object cache, there was the database, there was everything you could think of. So when we updated the database for the WordPress core update, the caching was still serving the old database. So there was a massive disconnect in between the two, which is why that caused so much issues. So all we did was delete the file called db.php from the root directory, as we can see in the error log here. There we go, look. So we've got DB causing all kind of issues. So just got rid of that, and then everything's working fine. So let's see if we can log in. It's normally a little bit slow after we've kind of deleted all the cache, especially doing it manually. So there we go. All resolved eventually. So please like, share, subscribe. Let me know if you guys have a different way of doing it, if you've got a better way, if you've had similar issues in the past. And I'll see you in the next one.